In this video, I will show you how you can download TradingView to your laptop. Now, this is actually very easy, so let's get started. Now, first of all, I want to say you do not need a paid plan to install TradingView to your laptop, which is nice. Now, what you need to do is you need to go to the TradingView website, so go to tradingview.com, and right here you see products, community, markets, news, brokers, and you see more. And what you need to tap is downloads right there. Desktop plus mobile. What more could you need? So then tap on desktop app, and as you can see, TradingView desktop. Experience extra power, extra speed, and extra flexibility, all with the same UX you know and love. So you can download this for Windows, macOS, and for Linux. And the only thing you need to do is tap on the device that you have. So if you have a Windows machine, tap on this. If you have a MacBook machine, tap on this, and that is basically it. So yeah, it is very easy. Then after you install it, you can just log into your account and you are done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please consider subscribing. And by the way, if you want a $15 discount to your TradingView account and get started with the paid plan for free, you can check the link in the description down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.